Dear friends, in this video lecture, we will demonstrate a visual proof that E lies between 2 and 3, that is 2 strictly less than E and E strictly less than 3. Okay, and for this we use these two papers. The first paper is Proof Without Words that 2 less than E less than 3 written by Nick Lord, and the second paper is a simple proof that E strictly less than 3 written by H.N. Gupta. Now first we define the definition of logarithmic function. We define logarithmic function log of x by integration 1 to x dt by t. We note that the logarithmic function log x is continuous and monotonically increasing. Now the real number E is defined such a way that log of E, that is integration 1 to E dt by t, is 1. Okay, thus to show that 2 strictly less than E strictly less than 3, it is sufficient to show that log 2 is strictly less than 1 and 1 is strictly less than log 3. Okay, so first we show that log 2 is strictly less than 1. So for that, first we consider the graph of the function y equal to 1 by x. Now we consider the point x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So obviously this shaded region implies log 2. Okay, so now we consider this rectangle. Okay, so the area of this rectangle is strictly bigger than the area bounded by the curve y equal to 1 by x, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and the x-axis. So obviously log 2 is strictly less than 1, that is equivalently 2 is strictly less than E. Okay, next we show that log 3 is strictly greater than 1, and for this visualization again we are considering the graph of the curve y equal to 1 by x. Now we consider the point x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Okay, now observe that the curve y equal to 1 by x is concave upwards. Okay, so it lies above the tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x at the point 2 comma half. Okay, so this is the point 2 comma half. Okay, so if we draw tangent at this point, then the curve y equal to 1 by x always lies above x because the curve is concave upwards. Okay, now we consider the area of the trapezium shaded by the red colors. Okay, now log of 3. So log 3 is the area bounded by the curve y equal to 1 by x, the line x equal to 1, x equal to 3 and the x-axis. Now it is clear from the above figure that the area bounded by the curve y equal to 1 by x, and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 3, and the x-axis is strictly bigger than the area of the trapezium, so this trapezium, right, area of this trapezium. So it is obvious that log of 3 is strictly greater than 1. That is, 3 is strictly greater than e. Okay, and this completes the visualization. Thank you.